When you're replacing your carpet, or for any reason if you need to take out the heater ducts here, this is 69 Beetle. 68 and 69 are kind of unique. You can see here they have a lever up here to control the heat. Look down here. But if you're taking this apart, it's easy to pop this off in here. I'm sorry, the sun is so bright it's hard to see. Pop it off. When you get it back on, it's crucial that obviously you get this whole device centered, but you're simply going to slide this cable through the opening here and just let it hang, and then all you need to do is just use a small tool, pick tool or screwdriver, and just slide it back on there. It's not too bad.